everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and click the bell notification so you will be notified every time I uploaded a new video. So today I'm gonna show you how I make this apple grape salad. This unique, crunchy and sweet fruit salad is a new favorite side dish of mine. First, you're gonna do is wash the grapes and apple and remove stems. Cut each grape in half lengthwise and cut up the apple into bite chunks. You can make this on any occasions or just on a regular days. And you can double this recipe if you want to feed a larger group. And since I'm the only one vegan in my family, I'm gonna make just enough for me. In a medium bowl, mix the sour cream, cream cheese, white sugar, and vanilla extract. Stir the grapes and apple chunks into mixture until well coated. And once you're done mixing, transfer to serving bowl. If not serving immediately, cover and put in a refrigerator. When it's ready to serve, sprinkle with 1/4 cup light brown sugar over apple grape salad. And there's your vegan apple grape salad. Enjoy, and thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.